How to download and install Roblox on MacBook. So if you want to download and install Roblox on your MacBook, then just follow the steps. Installing Roblox on MacBook allows you to dive into countless gaming options and join a lively global community of players. So the first step is you can simply go with Roblox website. So you can go with any browser that you have and then search for roblox.com. Open it on your preferred browser. Once you open it, create your account, which is quite simple process. So once you're signed in, click on any one of the game that you want to play. Let's say we want to play the blade ball. So click on it, and in the game, click on the green play button, which is on the right side. Once you click on play, it will give you this kind of interface where you will have an option of download and install Roblox. So simply click on that option and it will ask you, do you want to allow the downloads on www.roblox.com. So simply go with allow. Now once the download is complete, open the Roblox under your downloads file. Once you open, you will have the Roblox player installer. So simply click on it and then click on open. It will take some time depending upon the speed of your internet connection or your MacBook. And after that, you will be into your Roblox application. You can go with login or sign in, and then you can log in to your account and use your Roblox. So that's how you can download and install Roblox on your MacBook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.